This is a quick video about 2CC and BCC and what they mean. So as you can see, I've got Microsoft Outlook open here. This is the full Outlook. I've clicked on new email and I've got some options: 2CC and BCC. So with 2, you can put one name or a big list of names in there. When they receive it, they will see everyone else on the list that you've sent it to. CC can feel a little odd because it does the same as 2 in that any names that you put in that list will see all the other names that you've sent it to, including those in the 2 column. So what's the difference between 2 and CC? Generally, the accepted difference is that 2 is the person you're sending it to. The CC is what they call a carbon copy. So it's almost like you're sending it to someone and saying, look, I've sent it to this person and I'm just letting you know that I've sent it to this person. It's almost like if your name is in the CC column, it's something you need to be aware of, but you don't necessarily have to action. That's kind of how people do it. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Now this is very important, particularly with the data protection rules that we have in the UK. Any names that you put into BCC, they will not be able to see any other names which are in BCC. They will only see names in the 2 or the CC column. This is very, very important. So no one knows if a person's received it if their name is in BCC. As I say, this is very important for data protection. There's a case where a clinic who dealt with people looking for information about HIV sent out a newsletter, and instead of putting the names into BCC, they put the names into CC and 2, and they were actually done under breach of data protection because everyone else was able to see everybody else's name in the list, and they were able to identify people from their email addresses. So it's very, very important, if you need to keep secret the other names in the list, if you're sending out newsletters and that sort of thing, pop it into the BCC so no one else can see anybody else's email addresses. And that's a brief video about the differences between 2CC and BCC.